Welcome to Bampton. Today I'm here just a short distance away from Askham, Helton and Bampton to show you a fantastic property which sits in the Lake District National Park. Now the home itself is in front of me, you can't quite see it just yet, however the land which it comes with, and that extends mainly to the front. The property enjoys views that you can see behind me across the Lowther Valley towards Knipe Scar and beyond. It's a superb property with incredible panoramic views. Now what's the house like? It's a superb farmhouse, 3 bedrooms. It's in need of full renovation, but it's got so much opportunity and potential. Something like this is quite rare to the market. To the side of the property there is a large barn, and to the rear there are some agricultural buildings and some traditional barns as well. So if you're looking for a property which may be having an equestrian interest, or if you're looking for workshop space to tinker with tractors or classic cars, or you're looking for a small farmsteading, then this is an opportunity not to be missed. We're sitting in an elevated position, it's absolutely beautiful. Whilst it is in need of full renovation, you've got the opportunity to put your own stamp on a wonderful home in the Lake District National Park. So let me spin the camera around, I'll show you the approach and we'll go inside this wonderful property. So from outside the front door, I've just spun the camera round to show you that view. We've got panoramic views across the Lowther Valley towards Knipe Scar, and the views are incredible. The property is approached by this driveway here, where you can see my car's just at the top of that, but that then leads into a large area which extends round and comes up to the building. So we've got a number of barns here. We've got some traditional ones here and attached to the house. We've got a large modern building at the back there, and we've got another building. We've also got a garden space to the rear as well, and it's just a super opportunity. Something like this doesn't come on the market very often. In the Lake District National Park, the opportunity to put your own stamp on this really pretty cottage with the barns and the buildings, it is absolutely fantastic. Now there's a couple of date stones which suggest it was built in 1690, so we're not quite sure of the age here. It's not a listed building and it is in a elevated position just a short distance away from all the desirable villages, Helton, Bampton. You could be at Haweswater, you could be at Ullswater and Helton Fell in a matter of minutes. It really is a superb location, but to find something that you can put your own stamp on is really quite special. Let's go inside and have a little look at this property, and then we'll go outside and explore the barn spaces. So just coming up a little bit closer to the house, you've got the front porch there. We're actually not going to go that way today. We're going to come under this undercroft archway here because there's a feature I'd like to show you. So what we've got above this door here is an old date stone which I believe says 1674, maybe giving you a glimpse of the history. So now let's go inside and into the kitchen. Now there is a front door, but I don't have a key for that today. So what we've got here is a nice kitchen. You've got a window that looks out over to the garden at the rear, which we'll see towards the end of the video, but you've got lots of storage space here. You've got a quirky little window which takes us into the dining room, and you've got space for a cooker there, as you can see. You've got nice features like the beams, and the beams carry on throughout this home. So as we come through these wooden doors into a lounge area where we've got windows which really picture frame the view out across the valley. You've got a nice open fireplace there, some alcove shelving and a lovely window seat. But looking out of this window here, that view is just ever changing and absolutely beautiful. This lounge room extends through into the dining room where you've got another open fire, another nice bay window, and the hatch which takes us back into the kitchen. So this is a great size room as a dining room or a snug or whatever it is your family is looking for. Then we've got the porch. So if you were using the main front door as a front door, you would have the entrance porchway which would have space for coat hanging and boots and wellies and things like that. And you can see here we've got a nice stone surround there. So on the ground floor we've got 2 reception spaces, the porch, the kitchen. Then extending through the hallway, so coming back into the kitchen, come into the inner hallway where we've got a pantry cupboard which has got some shelving here, so a traditional pantry in here, and a storage space just under the stairs there, so you've got some shelves in there. The staircase is a nice wide easy staircase with a turn in the stairs, window overlooking the garden, give you a little glimpse of that as a teaser before we go out the back. And then as we come up onto the landing, as a traditional farmhouse would be, you've got a few different levels here. On the left hand side we've got a family bathroom with a shower over the bath and a loo. Coming across the hallway, there's one bedroom here, which is a good size double. This one looks out to the back garden, across the farmyard there. You've got a storage cupboard here, and then we've got two further bedrooms. These two both face the front, so they've got views across the valley. So again, nice window seat. We have got single glazing in here as well, but as you can see, it is a renovation project, but it could make the most incredible family property. And then the third bedroom, which is probably the biggest one, is this one here, which extends all the way around. So it is the biggest one. It's got two windows looking out over the grounds, over your land, and towards the view there. So the land which is included with this property is the land just to the right hand side of the gatepost. So you've got the drive coming up and it's that field to the side. So that gives you an indication of where the land is to the front, and a full land plan will be on our listing. So quite a traditional farmhouse here, 3 bedrooms, family bathroom. And as we go back down into the hallway, I'm now going to show you out of the back door and into the undercroft area, and then we'll go through and look at the rest of the spaces. So coming back out of the door from the kitchen into this undercover area where you've got a coach high style door, but this is perfect for wellies, boots, coats, everything that you need when you live on a farmstead in undercover, so you don't need to get wet. We then come through into another space which has got a tin roof there, but again, nice space for wood store, maybe a utility room perhaps, but more storage is better than none. So then we come to the back of the property, and we've got a little bit of a glimpse of a blue sky today, which is great. So you've got a vehicle access that can come up and all the way around. This is the garden space just above us here, which is super. So it's nice and private. You've got a fenced off garden, so if you've got children, pets, dogs, you've got a space there which keeps them safe from the rest of the run-ins of the farmyard. Now, the barns are quite special. You can see here we've got a large open fronted barn here, and as I pan the camera around, you've got more space as we go inside. And this space that we're going to go into now is absolutely incredible. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it because of the lighting here. Perhaps you can a little. We've got some great roof structures. We've got a large building that extends all the way around to the end, and leading from here are a couple of rooms off there as well. Now, subject to the relevant planning consents, perhaps this is maybe an extension to the main home. You may not need a home that big because the home that you've seen is 3 bedrooms and it's got plenty of space, but there's options there. Or if you're wanting to use the barn for other reasons, then again, great storage space, great if you've got ponies, absolutely fantastic. So as we come back around, we've still got quite a lot more to show you. There is a public bridleway running through the yard here, just from this path all the way through and out to the bottom, but that doesn't really impact the garden space whatsoever. It's fenced off from that. There is a large open building here and a really large extensive plot. Now, if I wander down to this side before we go and look at the more modern building, you can see the shape and size of that barn there that we've just been inside that was a little bit difficult to see on the video. You can see the height, you can see the condition of the stonework. It really is a super extensive building, all enjoying these open countryside views, which are so special. This area is so desirable. You're just minutes away from Haweswater, you're not far from Askham for the amenities that Askham offers, and also Shap as well. So this is the home from the back. As you can see there, we've just been inside this building and we went through this door into the back door, but to show you the rest of the buildings just to the side here, as we wander through, you've got a large, more modern building, which again is perfect if you've got tractors, you've got livestock, if you want to, no, say it again, but you've got classic cars or something similar, just perfect storage space. So looking into here, this is an extensive building which has got a whole range of multi-purpose uses. So we've got the traditional buildings that attach to the house, we've got this fantastic modern building which adds another dimension. The land boundary is along here, and to the front of the property we've got quite a large area, so you've got ample parking, you've got lots and lots of space, so if you need to put hay bales or whatever that may be, you've got space to do so here. And then looking back at these buildings, you've got more buildings to the front, which add to the property. Now you've got sort of an undercover area here, but from this, it's going to be a little bit hard to see because of the sun, but it'll come clearer in a second. You've got a number of barn spaces, both underneath as an undercroft to the main barn that we looked in just a few minutes ago. And you've got these barn spaces as well. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, and an undercover area offering protection if you do have ponies or sheep, you've got space here. But everywhere you are in this house, you're drawn to that view across the Lowther Valley. It's absolutely spectacular, and today isn't the nicest of days to be showing you that. This really is quite a special position. So wow, what an opportunity this is. This is a 3-bedroomed farmhouse with adjoining traditional barns and a fantastic modern building. The blue sky is just coming out at the right time for us today. This is an opportunity not to be missed. So homes like this don't come on the market very often. It is a renovation project, so you are going to need to be open to doing some work to the property, but enjoying an elevated view across the Lowther Valley and Knipe Scar and being in the Lake District National Park. This is an opportunity not to be missed. So if you'd like more information, please give us a call, 01768 881111, and we'd love to give you some more information about this fantastic opportunity.